To see the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, on the Webull platform, start by logging into your Webull account. Once you are on the main screen, navigate to the Market Data section. From there, type in the ticker symbol of the stock or asset you want to analyze in the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you select the ticker, you will be taken to the stock's detail page. Next, look for the Technical Analysis tab, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on this tab to access various technical indicators available for your selected stock. In the Technical Indicators section, you should find an option to add indicators like Moving Averages or RSI. Click on the option to add indicators and then select RSI from the list. After you add the RSI indicator, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its positioning on the chart. The RSI is typically displayed below the price chart and ranges from 0 to 100. Generally, an RSI above 70 indicates that the stock may be overbought, while an RSI below 30 suggests that it could be oversold. Keep an eye on these levels as you analyze the stock's potential price movements. Finally, remember that while the RSI can be a useful tool in identifying potential trading opportunities, it is important to consider it alongside other indicators and market data. Always perform thorough research before making any trading decisions to ensure that your strategy is well informed.